Hey, my name is Kathy Roberts, and I am the Tidy Tutor. I am sharing with you today an exclusive method to doing laundry. I made this up. I've used it for years. You will not believe how much time it saves you, how caught up you will be forever with laundry, and you're going to feel like you have another day in the week. Now, this is a clip from the Tidy Tutor Masterclass. Here we go.
The daily routine part 4, laundry. Laundry could be a little complicated to teach because everybody has different needs. Some need to go to the laundromat. Some have a family of able-bodied laundry doers who aren't doing. Some have a washer but no dryer. Some have a washer and dryer in an apartment building but not in their apartment. We'll address every one of those scenarios in this video except for getting family involved. There is another lesson on that. Later on in this course, we'll get to it. If you need to go to the laundromat, you can skip to the end of this video. Look at the timestamp so you'll know when that portion begins. Now, in our daily routine, there is a specific way and timing for us to do laundry. You'll see here that we have to put clothes in the dryer in the morning and in the washer in the evening. I've been told by many that they feel like they gained a day in the week by doing this method. If you have a laundry day, that day will be freed up, hence feeling like you've got 8 days a week. If you feel like this method won't work for you, I ask you to try it anyway. Everyone who has put this method into practice has thanked me. So here's what we're doing. As soon as you get up, get clothes in the dryer. Set a timer for 1 hour. It's very important that you set that timer. Go ahead with the rest of your morning routine. When you hear the timer go off, head on over to the dryer. Lay the clothes flat or fold them. It depends on the time that you have. If you have folded them, then you want to put them away. We'll talk about this on the next slide. After dinner or sometime before bed, put a load of clothes in the washer. Set a reminder on your phone or an alarm to go off on your phone at the time that you decide that you'll do this so that you don't forget. Begin getting rid of clothes and dejunking as you're doing laundry. And if it's a change of season or you come across an out-of-season item, put it aside after it comes out of the dryer so it doesn't continue to circulate where it doesn't belong. Now, people ask me, won't the clothes get musty and smell being in the washer all night? And I'm telling you, no, absolutely not. I've been doing this for over 25 years, and I've never had a problem. Even when I lived in Florida, the washer and dryer were in the garage, and there was no air conditioning out there, and it could be very humid and very hot in Florida. If they didn't get musty or smelly there, they're not going to get musty or smelly at your home. Now, I said to fold them or lay them flat. Why lay them flat? If you're pressed for time and you can't fold them, take them out one by one and lay them flat on top of each other. We do this so that they won't wrinkle and they'll be ready to fold when you get home for work or whenever it is that you're ready to be able to fold them. If you do this, you have to add put clothes away after or before bed on your routine so that you remember to do it. Now, we have to talk about this really quickly. We have a warped perception of time, and that's the elephant in the room. We think everything takes too long. And so a lot of times we'll say, I can't do that because it'll take too long. I'm telling you that things don't take as long as you think they do. This is extremely important when it comes to the folding of the clothes. I want you to count Mississippis or count elephants, okay? You can use this visual to remember that, to count elephants, so that you can see how much time it really does take. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi as you're folding clothes. 4 Mississippi, 5 elephants, 6 elephants, 7 elephant, 8 elephant as you're folding the clothes so that you can see, oh my goodness, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. Now, what if you can't put any clothes away because the drawers and closets are stuffed? Get a laundry basket or two and put the folded clothes in them by the dresser that you would use if you could put them away. Now, if you have a washer but no dryer, put in a load about dinner time. Set a timer. Don't forget to set a timer. After the timer goes off, get the clothes, hang them around the house. On a shower curtain rod is a good place to hang clothes, on hangers. And then when you wake up in the morning, you'll put them away. You'll want to make sure that you get that in your morning routine. Put clothes away. If you have a washer and a dryer in your building and you can't leave the clothes in overnight, here's what you do. Put in a load of clothes as soon as you get home from work or at a time that you're able to during the day. Set a timer for 1 hour. Continue on with your nighttime routine or whatever routine you happen to be on at this time. When the timer goes off, get them in the dryer and then set the timer again. Continue on with your bedtime routine or whatever it is, the routine that you're on. And then when the timer goes off, go to the dryer fold, and then put them away. Now, if you need to lay them flat because you had a long day and you just don't want to do it now, then that's fine. Go to the dryer, take them out one by one, lay them flat, and then put in your routine in the morning to go to those clothes and fold them and get them away in the same way that we talked about before. In a basket if they can't fit, in the drawer or the closet because they're too stuffed. We'll get to that when we get to the dejunking of the bedroom. For now, at least, there's a orderly way for you to have your clothing and to be able to get dressed and whatnot. Now, the laundromat. I did this for years. The best thing to do is to have the laundromat do the clothes for you. Drop them off and pick them up. Get it into your calendar what day and time would be the best for you to do this. They charge by the pound. So the way to do it most economically, if you're on a budget, is do your own jeans, sheets, and towels and have them do the rest. They weigh the most and take the least amount of time to fold. It actually doesn't end up being very much more money to have them do it, and it saves you an incredible amount of time. When you add up how much it costs to feed the machine and to get soap, if you want to pretend that you forgot soap, you'll probably save money. If you don't live alone, then see if another driver can help out with the drop-off and the pickup. Now, after you pick up the clothes, they'll be all folded. You're still going to want to get it in your routine to put them away. So make sure that you decide when would be the best time to put these clothes away. And since you are following this routine to the letter, you'll get to it. That was laundry, part 4 of our daily routine. I'll see you on the next video.
So what did you think? I really would love to know what you thought of this method. And especially, I want to hear how it went once you tried it out. This method works. Let me tell you, I have 5 kids. I used to be married, so there's 7 people plus 2 dogs, and it is a game changer. I made this up, I'm very proud to say. And now in the next video, I'll share how to get the family involved when it comes to laundry. Now, if you know you need more help, if you're living in a mess, if it's draining you, if you can't stand it and you can't change it, then I invite you to join me in the Tidy Tutor Inner Circle. It includes the Tidy Tutor Masterclass and so much more. You can click the link in the description box or somewhere on this page to find out more. If you like this video, please like it, share it with a friend, click the bell so that you never miss a video that I put out there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe.